What's good, y'all? In this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to make like wavy melodies for like Future, Gunna, Wheezy type stuff. If you like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, give me feedback in the comments, and let me know what you want to see next. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna start by breaking down the melody. Analog Lab 5, Kill September, Stained Glass. It's like an ambient wavy sound that's key, obviously, when you're making these type of beats. You want to use presets that are like ambient and wavy by themselves already, and the effects you add, just add to it. So without all the effects I have, this is what it sounds like. And I usually go to 8 bars, but this time I just went to 4 because it was just something real simple. What I did with the melody was I just used these notes right here just go up, and then you see like it's just a pattern, they just go up, and I just add the top notes at the top just as it's like I'm gonna take the top ones out. Like that's usually how I start making melodies. Don't worry about even need chords all the time. Like just make the melody first, like get a good bass going, like the bass of the melody, and then add your top notes at the top. You don't always need chords. And then I added these top ones. It's just effects on. I got this portal, sound like this. Just a little phasing going on. Take out a little bit of highs, a little bit of lows. Now it sounds even more in the back, even more wavy. Put some chorus on it. So that's how you do that. And then I made this. I believe this is a lead. It's called Distractions. Let me see what effects I got. All I got on it is EQ. It looks like this. Cutting highs and lows. It just follows the same notes as the original melody, and that's really all I have for melodies. So together those melodies will sound like this. I forgot I put a halftime on it. This 4 bars, and then just take out some highs and lows, and it sounds like this. What I did right there to make it sound like that, I just put the original melody down an octave, and I put the lead sound up an octave. Alright y'all, that's it for this video. Let me know what you want to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.